Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Snapchat login temporarily blocked. So let's just get straight into the video. To fix a temporarily blocked Snapchat login, the first thing you want to do is wait 48 hours to allow the restriction to lift automatically. This is the most effective solution for a temporary disabled message. The other thing you can try to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using, and then inside of here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for this website right over here. So the website is going to be accounts.snapchat.com. So accounts dot, click on next. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and log in into your account right over here. And once you log in, there's going to be a unlock button. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.